Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on YouTube? You guys have tuned into Rules for Rebels. I wanted to talk a little bit about the Pancake Swap NFT ecosystem, which is going to be launching this upcoming Wednesday, just a couple days away, September 22nd. So, NFTs have been really hot for the past year or two. I'll be honest, I think NFTs are kind of stupid. Way back in the day, I got involved in CryptoKitties, messed around with a little bit, thought it was kind of dumb. NFTs kind of fell out of popularity. CryptoKitties never really took off. A couple years passed, and recently NFTs have been getting a lot of attention. We saw, JP Morgan spent $150,000 on a CryptoPunk NFT. We've got a ton of celebrities launching NFTs. Taco companies like Taco Bell and Charmin got into the NFT game, launching their own NFTs. Now, I really don't see a whole lot of purpose behind buying and selling images or PNG files. Though I do think that NFTs have potential down the line, right? Like, I think there's a lot of use cases for NFTs in gaming, real estate, music, a lot of different areas. However, right now, I just don't see a lot of point in them. However, people are making money with NFTs. There is some money to be made, and, kind of being interested and involved in the crypto space, I kind of feel like I have to pay a little bit of attention to them. Now, one that actually does interest me a little bit, just because I'm involved in the platform already, is the Pancake Swap NFTs. So one of the turnoffs to a lot of people about NFTs on the Ethereum platform are the gas fees, right? The gas fees to mint NFTs, buy and sell NFTs is kind of crazy. I was selling NFTs on Rarible a while back, and, I was getting, at the time, Ethereum gas fees were through the roof, but I was actually getting offers of people wanting to buy my NFTs, but the cost, the gas fee essentially for transacting and selling an NFT was more than the 50 or 60 bucks that I was actually going to make on that NFT. So I didn't actually wind up selling any of them. And then when NFTs started coming to the Binance Smart Chain, I thought, okay, we're going to have much lower fees. It's going to cost much less to mint and buy, sell, and trade NFTs. But I know there's a couple Binance Smart Chain NFT platforms out there. I don't think any of them have gotten really huge. I believe Binance.com themselves have kind of like an NFT marketplace built into Binance. But one that kind of interested me a little bit was the Pancake Swap NFT ecosystem, which is going to be launching in just a couple days here. I've talked about Pancake Swap a little bit in the past. It's it's essentially like one of these DeFi platforms. You can stake in like pools or dens. You can provide liquidity, all that kind of good stuff. Pancake Swap has over 1.7 million active users. I haven't ventured into a lot of the DeFi sites. I haven't done Sushi Swap and a lot of these other things. I've kind of limited myself to Pancake Bunny, Pancake Swap, and the Cub token ecosystem. Although I've kind of given up on that one. Still am involved in Pancake Swap, and again, there's a lot of users on here. There's a really active community, and so I could see this kind of taking off. We're going to take a quick look and kind of read their blog post here in a moment. There's going to be some things that are a little bit interesting about kind of how they're doing things. So first off, this is all going to take place on the actual Pancake Swap website. You'll be able to buy and sell or transact in, I believe it's BNB and WBNB or Wrap BNB. Here's an interesting thing about how Pancake Swap is rolling out their NFT platform. So unlike Rarible and OpenSea and a lot of these other platforms where artists can actually create NFTs, the initial rollout of NFTs is going to be only Pancake Swap NFTs rolled out by the Pancake Swap organization. A graphic designer, an artist, people like you and me, at least initially can't create NFTs. Eventually that will come, supposedly, but that's not how it's going to start out right off the bat. I believe they're going to roll out 10,000 NFTs. A certain number of them are going to be unique NFTs. So this is kind of, I'm not sure if this is a good thing or a bad thing, if this is smart or not, but here's what I think is kind of the thought process behind this. So whereas everybody and their mom are making NFTs, and there's way more NFTs out there than people wanting to buy the NFTs, the market just gets flooded. Like if everybody could make their own NFT, on Ethereum, the gas fees are somewhat of a hurdle. Like you're not just going to throw something up just for the sake of throwing something up, because it's going to cost you a fair amount of money to do so. But because the Binance Smart Chain is so cheap and so affordable, it would be easy to, I don't want to say spam the network, but it would be easy, and there wouldn't be a lot of reason not to throw out low-quality, shitty NFTs. So I think in order to kind of combat that and give the ecosystem a chance to kind of develop initially and kind of create more of a demand behind these NFTs, they're kind of limiting not only how many NFTs are out there, but it's only going to be this collection of PancakeSwap NFTs that are rolling out. One thing that I wish PancakeSwap had done is maybe provide a little bit more information to us up front ahead of this rollout. I'd like to see some tutorials on how to interact with this marketplace, some screenshots of what it's gonna look like, how things are gonna work. Just more kind of educational material out there. And there hasn't been a lot of that. So essentially, unless they release some stuff within the next couple days, it seems like things are going to roll out September 22nd, this upcoming Wednesday, and we'll all be kind of scrambling to learn how to use it and then try to buy up some of these NFTs. Without further ado, let's get into this article. Now, if you guys need, so before we kind of get into the article, I'll just kind of lay out how you can kind of get prepared to buy one of these NFTs if this is something that you want to do. So first of all, you need to be on the PancakeSwap platform. You can connect with either MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Honestly, I think Trust Wallet is a lot easier to use. I think it's a lot more intuitive, and I think it's a lot more user-friendly than MetaMask. Personally, I kind of hate MetaMask. But a lot of people are running into error messages when trying to set up profiles. You will need a profile on PancakeSwap to be able to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. So in the upper right hand of the screen, once you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap, there's an option to create a profile. When I tried to do this on Trust Wallet, I wound up getting an error message, so I wound up doing it on MetaMask, and I was able to go through the process. So if you guys are completely new to PancakeSwap, again, I like Trust Wallet better, but Trust Wallet seems to be having some problems getting all this set up, so you might want to go with MetaMask. At least for the account that you plan on, buying some NFTs with. And then you'll also need some Cake, and you'll need some BSC or BNB, but for the Binance Smart Chain network. Now, as far as where to get BNB, you can buy BNB directly through Trust Wallet. Personally, I really like Binance and Kucoin. I'm a little bit sour on Binance because they wound up shutting down one of my accounts, and it just happened to be the account that I had all my affiliate signups under that was making me quite a bit of money. So I'm a little bit sour on Binance, but I set up a new account. I do like Binance. I'm a huge fan of Kucoin, though. I like how I think Kucoin's a very secure exchange. I like how they have the main wallet and a trading wallet. I like all the safeguards that they allow you to be able to set up. I like that there's a PIN number to trade and withdrawal. So I'm really kind of liking Kucoin a lot these days as well. And on Kucoin, you can buy Cake, you can buy the Binance coin, and this is a little bit off topic, but you can also buy the Crypto.com token. Crypto.com, of course, is a crypto exchange. But one of the things I like about Kucoin is, whereas like Binance and a lot of other exchanges don't like you to be able to buy and sell and trade the native coin of other platforms, Kucoin pretty much lets all the coins on their platform, and that's one of the things I really like about Kucoin, and that's how I was able to get started with the CRO token, or the Crypto.com token. But let's get into this article. We normally wait until the end of the month to share our sweet alpha, but things are rapidly heating up in the NFT world, and we can't wait to tell you what we're cooking. NFT Marketplace. We've heard your cries, we've seen the tweets, we've even seen you explode with rage, and we're hoping with joy to announce we're working on it. As usual, we won't be sharing the timeline, but we're working to deliver the simplest version possible ASAP, which we'll then iterate on and improve. Here's a few things we can share for the MVP. You will be able to both buy and sell NFTs. Trades will be in BNB/WBNB. Fees from the marketplace will be used to buy back and burn Cake, so that's kind of limiting the Cake supply, which, in theory will be good for the Cake price. The first tradable NFTs will be specific to PancakeSwap and launch with our first NFT collection. So that's what I was saying, where you won't be able to create your own NFT in Photoshop or Canva and roll it out. This is only going to be NFTs created by PancakeSwap, at least initially. Yes, you read that right. At first, you'll only be able to trade PancakeSwap's NFTs. An MVP is a minimum viable product meant for fast execution and to get things up and running fast. Once the MVP is established, we'll immediately begin working on the open marketplace to a much wider range of collectibles. You might also be asking, why can't I buy with Cake? That's because we want everyone to be able to trade on the NFT marketplace. If you can send a transaction on BSC, you can trade NFTs on PancakeSwap. It removes barriers. Creators, don't worry, we've got you in mind. So they are going to roll out the ability for people like you and I to create our own NFTs. The new NFT collection. Soon after the launch of the marketplace, we'll be dropping an all-new NFT collection by our very own Chef Cece. The actual mint numbers still to TBC, but each NFT will be unique with a set of traits to define rarity, and overall number of collection will be limited. Chef Cece's been cooking up these bunnies for a while now, and we're pretty excited for the drop. Here's what we can say for now. You'll have to have a PancakeSwap profile in order to participate, and that's what I talked about setting up that PancakeSwap profile. I believe right now it costs 1.5 Cake to set that up. The minting fee will be in Cake, cost to be determined, but I think it started off as 1, now it's 1.5 Cake. All Cake contributed for minting will be burned, so they're going to burn off all the Cake that goes for minting profiles. So are you looking forward to the next step of PancakeSwap's NFT journey? Got any hopes and dreams for our non-fungible future? Let us know on Twitter. So that's going to be this upcoming Wednesday, September 22nd. If you're going to want to try to participate in this, you will need to set up a profile on PancakeSwap. Again, it's going to cost you 1.5 Cake, and then you'll need BNB coin or Wrap BNB coin in order to buy NFTs. Not really sure the official time this stuff is going to go live. Not really sure exactly what things are going to look like or how you're going to buy, sell, and trade these things. Although I'm guessing PancakeSwap will either add some literature to their website or talk a little bit more about this on Twitter in the coming days. But just wanted to kind of let you guys know so that if this is something you guys want to try to get involved with, there oftentimes is some good money to be made if you can get in early on these new platforms. So you might want to prepare by getting yourself some Cake, getting yourself some BNB, and setting up a profile over on PancakeSwap. Again, I'll link to Binance and Kucoin down below if you're needing to get yourself some Cake or BNB. And if there's anything I left out, if there's anything that you guys know that I don't know here, feel free to drop a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click that subscribe button below, and we'll catch you on the next video.